Hi everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to make a simple card. I was asked to stamp out more images, and again I'm just showing how you can stretch your stamps to make pretty cards. So again, I'm using this koi watercolors that I got from Amazon. And I'm using this Hugs die from Alina Crafts, and I've already stamped out my background. I did this on a previous video, which I will link somewhere in this video so you can see how I did the background. I'm just watercoloring it, and I'll create the card. I'll show you the stamp set that I'm using from also Alina Crafts store. It is this one. And I just stamped out this rose and this leaf. So I had this on the block, and I'm just doing these videos like back to back. So recreating some of the cards that I shared in a previous haul video. I was asked to recreate those cards, so that's what I'm doing by request. And I'm just going to get started, and as you can see, I've already cut out the panel. So sit back and enjoy how I recreate it. I will also stamp out Amazing Hugs with some gold embossing from Recollections. I'm using Versamark ink, and the sentiment will be cut out in this gold poster board with some black background for the shadow. Okay, so sit back and enjoy the process. Here's the finished card. It turned out so pretty. I hope you enjoyed this process video. It was really easy to make this card, and I hope the lady who was inquiring what to do with her stamps and also what options she had for how to create backgrounds, because she couldn't or doesn't have access to background papers. Hope this gave you some ideas on the different looks you can create with the stamps and backgrounds, how you can make different cards. Okay, so take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.